Maria Bautista, and tonight I see many folks that have become very close to. I'm representing Diana Reina. Sorry about that. But I see folks from the Southside Community Schools Coalition. I see folks from PS 132. I see folks from PS 84. I see folks from NS 577 here, and the countless schools from this district, parents, teachers, students that are represented in this district are here to speak loud and clear. We do not want any more charter schools in this district. In addition, we do not want any schools that do not speak to the needs of every child in this district. Question for the folks that came out from Citizens of the World. Have you ever heard of Nuestros Niños? Have you ever contacted Nuestros Niños? Have you ever gone to Sack Street Daycare Center? It is probably because you are not familiar with this community. And let me tell you why people are enraged in this community, that you have the audacity to come here and tell them what they need. Because you haven't been here and heard what they need. That is why they are angry. And this is why we do not want an outside entity to come in. You said it before with Success, who came here and told us that we needed quality education. And they only did outreach in the north side. They had the audacity to only hit up the white folk and the rich folk from the north side and ignored completely the south side residents, which are the majority Latino and low income. And that is an audacity to our community and to what we represent. You talk about segregation. This is not the way that we're going to fight segregation.